In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your coolant line that goes from your thermostat housing to your coolant reservoir bottle on a Jeep Cherokee with a 2.4 liter engine. It's located in the engine area. Before you move your line, coolant may come out of this line. You can try to cap it with something, a plug, anything, but coolant will come out of the line. If you do this when the motor is hot, be careful because that coolant will be hot. The line that you're replacing has an end that has two tabs. You want to squeeze those two tabs together and pull straight out. This line is located just to the left of the battery, down in this area, and that is where your thermostat housing is. This will clip onto your thermostat housing. So you want to push those two tabs together, pull straight out. We're going to go down in this area. We're going to use a pair of needle nose pliers that have curves on the bottom. I'm going to grab those two tabs, squeeze together and pull out. Now pull your hose out, set it off to the side. Now you have a 12 millimeter holder here, this piece of plastic. You want to remove that off your line. Pull that up, unclip your wire. 10 millimeter nut here. Take that out, slide it off. Now you come over to your coolant reservoir bottle. Take your line off of that. Take your clamp off. Slide that out. And there's your old line. Feed your line underneath your air box and your snorkel. Put your line on your coolant reservoir bottle. Like that. Install your line into your holder. Take your clamp, slide it to the end of the hose. Make sure it's nice and secure. Put your nut on your holder here. Now put it over your stud. Show you, pull your wire out from behind there so it doesn't get stuck. You can clip that onto your line like that. Install your holder. Take your line, fish it down between your wires. Clip it onto your thermostat housing. Wait for that click. Make sure it's secure. If you lost any coolant, make sure you top it off.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.